Hello developers, welcome back to Code India. Today we are starting our journey into the Frappe Framework. The title of today's session is Build Apps Unboxed. We are going to walk through your very first project. By the end of this video, you will understand the core philosophy of Frappe and the 5 steps to go from zero to a working application. So, what exactly is Frappe? Think of it as your all-in-one app engine. Most frameworks require you to stitch together a database, an ORM, a front-end framework, and a PDF generator. Frappe is different. It creates a perfect harmony between Python on the backend and JavaScript on the front end. It comes with metadata magic. This means you describe your data models, and the framework builds the rest. And the best part, the batteries are included. You get a full admin UI, user permissions, PDF generation, and email handling right out of the box. No assembly required. Let's get practical. Step 1 is setting up your workspace using a tool called Bench. Bench is the CLI tool we use for everything, creating projects, managing apps, and handling deployments. To start a new project, we simply run the command bench init folder name. This downloads the framework and sets up all the dependencies for you. Step 2 is laying the foundation. In the Frappe ecosystem, we distinguish between the app, which is your code, and the site, which is your data. We create our new app logic with Bench New App Library Management. Then we create the database and site configuration with Bench New Site Library.test. Now we have a blank canvas. Step 3 is where the magic happens, drafting the blueprint or the DocType. In Frappe, a DocType is your model. It is the blueprint for your data. For our library management app, let's create an article DocType. We simply define the fields, title and author as data fields, ISBN number, and a status field, which is a select option for available or issued. We define this once, and Frappe takes over. This brings us to step 4, from blueprint to reality, instantly. Because we defined that DocType, Frappe automatically generates the desk UI. Look at this. We instantly get an article list view with search capabilities. We also get a full form to create a new article. We can enter the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, set the status to available, and hit save. You define the model, and Frappe built the entire admin UI, lists, forms, and search. Zero HTML required. But Code India is about coding, not just configuration. Step 4 is adding custom logic. We can extend this using standard code. On the back end, we use Python controllers. For example, in article.pa, we can write a function to check overdue status. On the front end, we use JavaScript form scripts. In article.js, we can write validation logic that triggers when the form saves. Finally, step 5. We don't just want an admin backend, we want a public portal. The same DocTypes that power your backend can generate public web views. Using simple templating tags like %% for article in articles nulls, we can iterate through our data and display a list of books like 1984 or Dune directly on a website. And just like that, you built it. We went through the full cycle. We set up the workspace with Bench. We defined the DocType blueprint. We got an instant admin UI. We added custom Python and JS logic. And we created a public web portal. This was a high-level overview. In the next video, we are going to open the terminal and actually type these commands together. If you are ready to build your own adventure, check out the official tutorial at frappeframework.com. Don't forget to subscribe to Code India. Let's get coding.